dog goes itch, 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 scratch, 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 until he or she doesn't have to anymore. Because today I bring you the Palfur In01 dog vacuum. Coming up next on Mumbles. Hi everyone, Mumbles here. If your dog is anything like my dog in the summertime, he sheds like crazy. He gets all kinds of hot spots if he's not taken care of. It can be a bad situation for him that leaves him an itchy, itchy, miserable mess. And he doesn't like being like that, and we don't like seeing him like that. Well, today I bring you guys a solution that could help you with that itching problem and can help you with your grooming needs. Today we review the Palfur In01 dog vacuum. We're going to first start with the unboxing of this product. Unboxing wise, when you receive this product, you're going to receive obviously the vacuum base itself. You will also receive the dog hose with it and a bunch of attachments, including electric clippers, dish shedding tool, 2-in-1 dog brush, hair remover, grooming brush, and with the electric clippers, you also get 4 trimmer combs. And finally, you will receive a carrying bag, and that is everything that will come with this product. At this point now, I do have to ask, please, please, please subscribe to MumblesVideos. Please subscribe, and thank you guys all so much for the support. You're amazing. We'll now move on into the feature. Moving on into the features, feature-wise, this is a portable pet grooming vacuum, allowing you to do all the hard work of grooming your dog. The vacuum itself comes sized at 16.53 inches by 13.39 inches by 7.36 inches. It weighs in at 8.97 pounds and has a 32 millimeter width and a 72-inch long hose, which gives it a lot of airflow and a lot of suction. It has a 3-layer HEPA filter filtration system, which can enclose any possible pollution inside the In01 and reject any possible secondary air pollution. Motor-wise, this thing has a nice strong motor that can run for 24 hours straight without having to turn it off because it can keep itself nice and cool. It does also have 3 suction speeds, low, medium, and high. The dustbin itself is a nice large 2-liter capacity, meaning less trips to the garbage can for you. And it also does have a high precise motor shock absorption structure, which keeps the noise under 60 decibel meters, which is super important for dogs because dogs can scare, and you don't want to scare them with a loud noise or anything like that. You want something that's consistent, that's not too loud. Finally, the dustbin and filters are all fully washable so that you can wash this thing and keep it nice and clean as you use it out along your days. And that pretty much covers everything you need to know feature-wise on this product, which brings me to my experience and summary section of this product. I have to say, as a dog owner with a dog that gets very itchy during the summer and is a long-haired dog and sheds constantly, this thing is amazing and something that I cannot recommend enough. Over my time with this thing, not only do I like it, but Dancer likes it. He literally comes to us wanting to be vacuumed. And it's a really nice thing when your dog wants to do something, because this thing has the ability to pull up all that shedded hair, which not only helps him with his itching, but also helps keep the house itself clean because there's not so many hair fluffs going all over the place. It's not getting itched into different places in different rooms. It just helps keep the house even cleaner. But beyond that, it provides Dancer with relief. When we get that hair out of Dancer, Dancer doesn't have to itch. He doesn't have to scratch as much. It's a fantastic thing that helps soothe him and makes him less itchy and thereby gives him less pain. My time with this vacuum, I can say not only is the suction very nice, but the sound quality of this thing is nice and low to keep your dog calm. The dustbin is very nice, and the features that this thing has and all the tools work just utterly fantastic. I literally can only say great things about this product. It's a fantastic product that I cannot recommend it enough, especially for you out there that are long-haired dog owners. Get this thing, give it a try, you're going to love it. Anyways, guys, on today's episode of Mumbles, this product does get a 5 out of 5 from me, and it gets a 5 out of 5 from Dancer as well because he loves to be vacuumed. Anyways, guys, this is my review of this product. Please smack that subscribe button, smack this button, smack all those buttons, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye-bye, everyone. Take care.